Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make your Wix website responsive. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. To make your Wix website responsive, you need to ensure that it looks good and functions well on different devices like desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Although Wix websites are not fully responsive by default, Wix provides tools to optimize your site for mobile devices. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is enable Wix Mobile View. Wix offers a built-in mobile editor that allows you to customize how your website looks on mobile devices without affecting the desktop version. The steps to do that is open your Wix editor. At the top of the editor, click on the mobile icon. This opens the mobile icon where you can adjust the layout and appearances of your site specifically for mobile users. Preview your site by clicking the preview button at the top right corner to see how it looks on mobile devices. Use Wix's built-in mobile optimization. Wix automatically optimizes your site for mobile when you switch to mobile view. So, hide or show elements. You can hide certain elements on mobile view that may not fit well on smaller screens. Rearrange elements. In mobile view, you can drag and drop elements to reorder them for a better mobile layout. And resize your text and images. Make sure your text and images scale appropriately for mobile screen. Use Wix's Flexbox technology. For full responsiveness, you can use Wix Editor X, a more advanced editor with responsive design features. The steps to do that is start with Editor X. If you haven't built your site yet, consider using Editor X instead of the classic Wix editor. It offers more flexibility and control over responsive design. Create breakpoints. With Editor X, you can create custom breakpoints to define how your website should look on various screen sizes, such as mobile, tablet, and desktop. Adjust your element scaling and positioning. You can define how elements scale, align, and wrap when the screen size changes, ensuring that your content adapts seamlessly to any screen size. So this is gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.